Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super quick and very helpful video for any of you guys having a car, and it could be almost any car, German, American, Asian, doesn't matter what it is, European car. Guys, if you have problems where AC system doesn't work, the air conditioner doesn't work, it could be quite simple fix. We'll talk about a device that will take you only a few seconds to replace. It's quite easy to replace. Most people do not even test it, and you can test it without even removing it. We'll cover that in this video today. Now, come to show you something right here, guys, on that engine that we have out of that Dodge that actually is used in multiple American and European vehicles as well. But that's the AC compressor. It's often driven by the serpentine belt. If you have an electric plug-in hybrid vehicle or hybrid vehicle, most likely will be driven by electric motor, but on a regular car it's driven by the belt. People will think when the AC system does not work, it's a bad compressor, right? Well, guys, that doesn't mean that. It could be bad AC clutch, which is easy to test and replace. We have videos on our channels how to do that. But on the bottom side of the AC compressor, you have one device, and that device is known as AC pressure solenoid. We'll show in a second. That device costs $10, $20 maybe the most. It's easy to replace, and that can save your whole compressor, because often people will just throw them in the trash. Now, there is something else that we need to talk about. Make sure you have Freon in the system. So connect a recharging kit to the low pressure side of your car and see what will happen. If you have Freon, that means you don't have a leak. But guys, you have one device on a high pressure line, AC pressure line, that's known as a AC pressure switch. Let me show you what it looks like. You see this thing right here? That's the switch. The purpose of that switch, it detects how much pressure you have in the system. Back in the day, it used to be on and off. Now it's actually a switch that tells you the exact amount of pressure in the system. It tells the engine computer if it's enough, okay, for the AC compressor to turn on. That's, by the way, the pressure solenoid from the guys, from the AC compressor that we were talking about. But that switch, guys, often, not always, but quite often on newer vehicles, or this one is even 2006, when you get it loose on the inside, you can remove it, guys, okay, because you have a valve that will prevent it from leaking out, so you can always, so you can often, not always, but often replace it without draining the system. You need to do your research for your specific car, make sure that's the case, but a few minutes and you can fix your AC. Now, if you want to see how to test AC pressure switch, we have videos on our YouTube channels how to test it without removing it. Super easy, check them out. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out, guys. Our mission is to save you money. Now, another thing we have right here is AC. You see right here that expansion valve, thermostatic expansion valve, that can cause sometimes problems with the AC system not working that people almost never check. Guys, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know or leave a comment below. Please, guys, subscribe to the channel, like the video, help us grow, reach more people. That way we can save more people money. We're trying to build a community where we can save people money, teach them how to fix their cars, because life is becoming quite expensive, and everything you can put on the side helps, guys. So hopefully the video was helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.